You have reached the Quantinoid channel.
Let us look at the challenges associated with creating a digital program roadmap and how to overcome them. In this video, we'll explore the common issues organizations face, provide practical solutions, and discuss the regulatory aspects of digital transformation and governance. The first step in overcoming challenges is identifying the key issues organizations face when creating a digital program roadmap. These may include 1.
Lack of clear objectives and vision.
2.
Inadequate stakeholder buy-in.
3.
Insufficient resources and budget.
4.
Limited understanding of technology and its potential impact.
5.
Regulatory compliance and security concerns.
Now that we've identified the main challenges, let's discuss how to address them effectively. 1.
Clear objectives and vision. Begin by defining your organization's digital transformation goals and desired outcomes.
Be specific and measurable to ensure that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of what the digital program aims to achieve. For example, according to a 2020 McKinsey survey, companies that set bold, yet achievable digital transformation goals saw 1.7 times more value than those with less ambitious targets. 2.
Stakeholder buy-in. Engage stakeholders from across the organization, including top-level management, and functional teams. Highlight the benefits of the digital program and demonstrate its potential impact on productivity, cost reduction, and revenue growth. Gartner reports that organizations with strong stakeholder buy-in are 6.2 times more likely to achieve their digital transformation objectives. 3. Resources and budget. Allocate sufficient resources, including funding, talent, and technology infrastructure, to ensure the successful implementation of your digital program. This may involve securing investment from internal or external sources, upskilling existing staff, and leveraging partnerships with technology providers. 4. Technology understanding. Develop a comprehensive understanding of the technologies that will drive your digital transformation. This includes assessing the potential benefits, risks, and challenges associated with each technology, as well as its alignment with your organization's goals and capabilities. 5. Regulatory compliance and security. Address regulatory and security concerns by incorporating compliance and risk management into your digital program roadmap. Stay informed of evolving regulations and industry standards, and implement appropriate security measures, such as data encryption, access controls, and regular vulnerability assessments. When developing a digital program roadmap, it's crucial to consider the regulatory landscape. Ensuring compliance with data protection laws, such as GDPR and CCPA, as well as industry-specific regulations, is essential. Non-compliance can result in severe financial penalties, reputational damage, and loss of customer trust. Incorporate regulatory compliance into your digital program roadmap by design, conducting regular audits, and providing ongoing employee training on relevant regulations and best practices. And finally, to conclude, overcoming the challenges in creating a digital program roadmap is essential for organizations seeking to harness the full potential of digital transformation. By addressing these challenges head-on and remaining adaptable to regulatory changes, you can help position your organization for success in the digital era. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into digital transformation and governance. Thanks for watching. Visit my LinkedIn profile if you would like to get in https://www.linkedin.com/in/noldcosta/